Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tex, and you are now watching the unboxing of the Apple iPad and Apple Pencil. Let us start with the Apple Pencil first. In the box, you'll find the Apple Pencil, some documents that you would not read, Lightning to Lightning converter for easy charging. I believe Apple did not include this converter in the initial batch of Apple Pencil, and an extra tips for the Apple Pencil. Initially, if you want to charge your Apple Pencil, the only option you have is to plug into your iPad before Apple decided to include the Lightning to Lightning converter. Quiet please! Apple Pencil is simple. You will find the magnetically attached cap, lightning connector, and the tip. Let us continue with iPad. In the box, you will find the iPad, some documents that you would not read, charger, and a lightning cable for the charging and data transfer. The charger included is still a 10-watt charger, and this means that there are no fast charging here. Quiet please! At the front, you will find the 9.7-inch non-laminated LCD display, first generation Touch ID on the bottom, and a f2.2 1.2 megapixel front-facing camera at the top. At the back, you will find the highly reflective Apple logo and a f2.4 8 megapixel camera. At the top, you will find a 3.5mm headphone jack and a power button. At the right, you will find the volume button. At the bottom, you will find the stereo speakers and a lightning port for charging and data transfer. You will not find anything at the left. That is all for this unboxing video. Remember to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the review of the iPad and Apple Pencil. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, remember to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Mr. Tech YouTube channel.